Good morning, student. Today we are going to practice the numericals of topic trial balance. Now I am going to memorize you what is the rule of preparing trial balance. In the debit side of trial balance, all the expenses, losses and assets are appeared, and on the credit side, that is right hand side, all income, gains and liabilities are going to be entered here. ठीक है. And the format of trial balance is particular LF amount, that is debit side, but again particular LF amount, that is credit side. And our simple question is that one: prepare a trial balance from the following item: capital, opening stock, furniture. These all are the ledger balances are given, and we are going to prepare a trial balance from these information. ठीक है. Our first item is capital, that is 24,000. Capital is a liability for the business, so it will appear on the credit side. Next one is opening stock is a deemed expenditure for the business, so it is appeared on debit side. Next one is furniture. Furniture is an asset. Then purchases. Purchases is an expenditure. Cash is asset for the business. Carriage, expenses for the business. These all four items are appeared on debit side. Then sales. Sales is an income for the business. It is come on the credit side. Next one is building. Building is an asset, debit side. Next item is return inward and return outward. Return inward means sales return, and return outward is purchase return. Return inward, to be assumed that it is loss for the business, and return outward is treated as income or deemed income for the business. That is purchase return. Next item is trade expenses. Already mentioned in the name, that is it is an expenditure for the business. Next one is discount received. Whenever we receive the discount, it is a gain for the business. Come on the credit side because it is received. If it is allowed, then it is a loss for the business. Next one is salary and rent. Both are an expenditure for the business, so both are appeared on the debit side of the trial balance. At last, we are going to tally the trial balance. That is, both the sides must be equal. If all the items are correctly put it in the trial balance, therefore both the sides must be equal. So total comes to rupees 47,820, and here again 47,820. You have to simply remember the golden rules of preparing trial balance based on modern approach of accounting. That is, expenses, losses and assets comes on debit side, income, gains and liability comes on credit side.